Hey, hi traders, this is Partiban. I'm doing the market analysis with my price action traders. Just to update you guys, every Saturday about 5:30 to 7:30, we're having our discussion here. And this is next week's market analysis, 18th February to 22nd February. And this is the risk disclaimers. Do not trade with the money that you can't afford to lose. And this is my trading ideas. What you can do is use the proper money management and try to take advantage of all the analysis that I'm giving. So we're targeting about close to 1,000 pips this week. Let's go to the analysis. So if you see last week, this week, what I've done is I've taken some trade on Euro USD. So this is live account. You can see live account here. So what I've taken is, I see Euro USD is a very clear downtrend. It was in a range market up to this level, where there was a sudden drop and pullback, and it dropped back, and this is another range market established. So you want to trade with the trend. This is area where you go short, but since it's a range market, what I did was I took a very good advantage by buying at a low price, and my stop loss is below this level. Now what I see at the moment, there was some sign of bias entering the market. I do see the price to advance to this level where this is self 150 pips, so I'm looking to close my trade at this level, and I will see seller signs so that I can go short at this price or maybe at this price. So I have to see what's the price reaction over there. Okay, then that's for Euro USD. For USD CAD, we actually took the same position. Last week we short at this level, and this our target was up to this level. What price I've done is it dropped to this area, and a lot of pullback, buyers entered aggressively. So some of my students have actually re-entered the trade here, and they're growing the trade to this level. So what I advise my student is just be cautious at this area where buyers can just reappear here to bring the price higher. If they fail to bring the price higher, might drop to this level, and you still can look for buy opportunity to grow your trade higher. So this for USD CAD. And next pair that I'm looking at, USD CHF, which I see a bit unique situation. A lot of traders will be selling now, placing the stop loss above here or placing the stop loss over here. But I'm telling you, I'm going to start selling when their stop loss is being triggered. And why I say like that, I want you to look at a weekly chart. This entire zone is a seller zone. This red color zone is actually a seller zone, where each time price reached the zone aggressively, it dropped close to this 1,500 pips, and then it goes here, drop 1,000 pips, 700 pips, 500 pips. So I don't want to sell early and then get hit a sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the daily chart trade to hit trigger stop loss. This is where I'm going to start sell, and this is about 250 pips. My SL will be higher than this level. So I'm looking to sell at entire this area. This might take 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but I'm long term I'm going to go short at a higher price. So I wouldn't buy here or sell here first. I'll be observing every day on this pair. Probably I'll be parking some pending orders. I'll share with my students how to park the pending orders and get a huge risk reward, because if you have sell at this price, roughly at this zone, if it drop to this level, that's easily about 600 to 700 pips drop. So easily can make good money on this. And New Zealand CHF, I do expect price to pull back to this level, and you can go short to this level, and this itself about 230 pips. This is a good opportunity which I see for New Zealand CHF. USD JPY, what I say is price is actually in uptrend. I do see the price to drop this level or slightly lower, I'll buy with a confirmation to the same level. Selling is actually a counter trend, but if there's a structure failure and a confirmation, I don't mind to go short. Okay, this for USD JPY. And for Australia USD, Australia USD is actually a quite balanced structure range market, where if it drop back to this level, if I have opportunity, I'll buy and grow my trade. Probably not that level, up to this level, I'll grow my trade. That's for Australia USD. Australia USD, yeah. And gold, it's a very attractive commodity which a lot of people are trading. Some people wanted to sell at this level, which is a bit dangerous. Now what I'm saying is, what I anticipate gold to go even higher. A lot of people will be selling at this point. I'll be looking to go short with a structure failure, and if it drop back to this level, I'll become a buyer to this level. So this is what I'm anticipating in gold. So you can trade this pair with that. At the moment this week, next week, I see gold to appreciate, dollar to weaken. And CAD yen, if you see, it's a very clear structure. I wouldn't sell here. I want the price to go even higher than this level. Then I'll go short and I'll grow my trade up to this point. That's CAD yen. And Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD's a bit unique, where there was a sudden spike and triggered a lot of orders here. So I want to take some risk, where I'm going to place a pending order here, limit order, buy, and limit sell order. And stop loss, I'll manage slightly above this level, and for buy somewhere here. If that sudden spike trigger my order, or sudden spike trigger this order, I want to take advantage. Okay, this is a bit unique trade setup. Euro CAD, I anticipate the price to drop lower or to this level. Now I'll look for buy. That's for Euro CAD, my anticipation. You can buy with confirmation. New Zealand CAD, a lot of people will be selling at this point. This is a mistake, where they're going to do they sell here, their stop loss will be somewhere here or somewhere here. I only want to sell at this point. So I expect the market to go higher, then I'll sell to this point. Okay, and USD Sing dollar, this is a very long-term trade. If price drop to this level, look for confirmation, buy and grow your trade up to this level, and you can go short again at a higher price. That's for USD Sing dollar. And GBP Swiss franc, if you see, it's a very good range market. So what I expect is, if the price reach this level or slightly higher, I want to look for structure failure and confirmation. So I'll be selling here to this level, which is not this level, and I'll look for buy opportunity to bring the price higher. So a lot of people will be thinking that price just going to bleed down to this level, which is not, because buyers will be defend the price at this level. Okay, that's for the GBP Swiss franc. Okay, and GBP yen, it's unique setup, where buyers are defending here, sellers are defending here. What I expect is, I want the price to drop here or slightly lower. I'll look for buy opportunities so that I can grow my trade to this level. This is close to 400 pips. Okay, this is what I anticipate for next week. GBP NZ, there's a lot of confusion. A lot of people see this as a downtrend, and a lot of people look at this as a buy trend also. So what my opinion here, wait, hold on, this is a sign that buyers are entering. You can see the buyers have entered a trade. Buyers entered a trade. Sellers were selling at this point, selling at this point. Again, if the seller wants to come in, they actually want to sell at this point. So what I see is, Monday I'll take a buy trade. All this is a buy area. I want to take a buy trade and grow my trade to this level. And this itself, Don't judge it later, because this stuff are close to 500 pips. So you can get a good pips movement here. And GBP Audi, I do look at price range from this level to this level. If it drop to this level, I'll look to buy opportunity, or if it price reach this level, I'll look for sell opportunity. Okay, and GBP CAD, it's a bit interesting where that range is not so clear, but you can see the structures over here. So what I'm going to do is, sorry, this is buy limit, spelling error. What I look is, I want to place a pending buy orders at this level, somewhere here, and sell pending order, and my stop loss over here. As the market move, I want my orders to trigger. This is my trade idea for GBP CAD. And Euro Yen, if you see Euro Yen, it's seems to be like ranging. It's not a trending market, but if it drop to this level again or slightly lower, I'll look into buy opportunity to bring the price higher. And the last pair that I analyze is Euro NZ, which I do see a structure is being formed where this was the support, and support become resistant at this level once this broken. Now I look to buy for next week Euro NZ, which I expect New Zealand dollar to weaken, Euro to appreciate, the price up to this level or slightly higher. But I'm looking to buy next week. And the last pair was USD Turkish Lira. What you guys can do is, this is close to 500 pips. If it drop back to this level, place a small volume, because the trading margin is different for this instrument. You can buy and grow your trade up to this level. So hey traders, just those who are observing my video, and if you happen to be my price action trader, I just want to update you, there's actually weekly market analysis session every Saturday, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. All the traders will be meeting up in the trading room, which in our office we'll be discussing together. You get a lot of clarity. You can ask your questions, what are mistakes you have done. So we discuss together. And those who can't make it on Saturday, every Monday we have a junior traders will be available during the discussion time, 7:30 to 9:30. You can ask trading questions and discuss the trading ideas too. And every Wednesday I'll be doing a webinar session, which will be recorded only for my price action traders, 8 to 9 p.m., where I'll be discussing one topic for 1 week, just to strengthen the understanding. And those who are interested in a price action bootcamp, they want to master this trade, you can actually call us, and we have a price action bootcamp at Genting, 1-day program. And those who see this as a career, they want to take a professional journey, we have a platform for you, Diploma in a Price Action from UBC University. You can contact us at this number. This is my staff office number. You can WhatsApp us, 018-222-4031. So thank you, safe trade guys. See you guys next week. I'll be discussing what are the before and after trading ideas, how much pips we have gained so far on next week trading ideas. Safe trade.